So I've had this steering wheel for a while and I did not have cruise control, and now today I just finally figured out how to put my factory one back on there. Here's my stock CRV's cruise control switch, the resume and set button part. Alright, I just took the screw out. Let's be careful when you take this part out. It's these little pins in here. These pins in here would come out, and try not to lose those pins, and just leave it somewhere safe. And whenever I take this part out, turn to the back, and the very bottom should be like, it has some letters on it. S, R, and H. And then all I had to do is label them. Yeah. S means set, R means resume, H means, I guess, hot or horn. I don't really know, but yeah. After that, you just gotta put it back together. I still got these wires, which these two gray wires here, I'm not sure what it is. Green and black wire is the resume, and then the red and green wire is the set, and it's like the horn or the hot one, or it's the positive. That's what I think it is. I'm not sure. Take my horn and wire to here, and then ground it here, and then my horn goes into this button here, which I just glued it in. And then let me see, since my horn thingy here don't work, cause this side of the quick release don't have the circuit thingies and that. And then after that, I also made a bracket here so my cruiser stay on there. This how it looks. Threw my horn on there. I made this a wall back so I cover it up to a little junk in there. And just cut a piece of plastic and hot glue it inside there. And then rigged up this bracket here that this goes to the hose already existing, which the threads you can see there, but I don't get in my way. Yeah. Good enough. And here's with the steering wheel on. Looks pretty legit. While I'm doing this, I just have babysit my little rogue rat. She's right there, being naughty. Ava, look, say hi. I guess you say hi. Hey, look at her, sagging her pants. Come here, pull your pants up, girl. Crazy little girl. But alright, that'd be it. And there's a little something for me to do. Good thing I kept the cruise control for my stock steering wheel. It was something that I really want to do for a long time, but I just never done it. Finally had time to do it. Which I did a lot of research, and then after that finally got it right. And which the wire was like right there, so I just had the wrong wires. Say bye, Ava. Say bye. Say bye to the camera. Say bye bye. Bye bye everybody. Good girl. Alright. Laters.